Today is a big day for the Raptor. I'm installing these new rims. So I got 5 in total. These wheels are from Mayhem. It's their Ridgeline. It's the same size as the Raptor, 17 by 8.5. The only difference between this and the stock is the offset. So the Raptor Gen 1 offset is a plus 35 and this is a negative 6. There's a center board, which is the same, and these come in a really nice satin black finish. I've got a box open here, so let's just take a quick peek. And I think these are gonna look really nice on the Raptor. So that's gonna go in today. We got some new wheel nuts for it as well. These wheels are gonna give the truck a really nice stance. Okay, here's the last look with the stock wheels on the Raptor before it goes in to have them replaced with those new Mayhem wheels. So these are a 34 offset. Now we're gonna go down to a negative 6. So I know it's gonna poke out a bit. Just hope it's not too aggressive and hope it doesn't rub. Alright, so that's how she looks, the stock wheels. Let's go check out these new wheels on the Raptor. I'm so happy with how they came out. I think it just looks amazing on this truck. I really love these new wheels. I think, first of all, the design looks amazing in my opinion. I think it just looks awesome. It looks nice, rugged, fits the truck really well. And the negative 6 offset, I think, is perfect. Just a tiny bit of poke. That's all I wanted. And probably negative 6 is probably as aggressive as I would go for the offset. And I think that just looks so good. Yeah, no, I'm really happy with these wheels. I think it just looks so good on this truck. Just look at that stance. Yeah, that looks really good. nice, very nice. So if you are thinking of getting these wheels, these are made from Mayhem, and this is their Ridgeline series. This is a replacement for the factory, so the same size, 17 by 8.5, same bore. Everything's the same except the offset. So whereas factory is a +34, this is a -6. And I think a -6 offset is perfect. Oh, man, that looks so good. Yeah, really happy with that. That looks so good. Man, these wheels look so good, in my opinion. These are the rims that I got for the TRX. Again, these ones have a slightly more aggressive offset as well. And they pretty much are flush with the fenders. I found the factory were kind of tucked in on the TRX, and especially on the Raptor. Like they were really tucked in. And now it's got just a little bit of poke, which is the look that I was going for. Man, that looks so good. God, I just love these wheels. Just look at that. That looks so good. And the best part, the price. Like, I don't think you can beat the price. So for a set of 5, with the shipping, was 1,300 Canadian. So you're looking at just under 1,000 US for 5 with the shipping. Yeah, I just noticed this little detail right here. It has this kind of like a lip here. That's kind of cool. It does look like a bead lock, but it's not a bead lock. But I think it just fits the personality of the Raptor like really well. Like, I think it looks really sharp. So very happy with the look, fitment, and the price. I don't think you can beat it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll have some more mod videos on the Raptor. That's gonna do it for this one.